Hello, everybody. Hello. Welcome to Character Modeling. That's right. We're at the end of week 7. We should be starting to get into texturing really good. Really some great elements that we're really starting to bring about and really start giving that detail to the characters so we can start building those skins and those normal maps. And then we can really build the rig and start making our characters walk and a lot of great things with that. So I just figured I'd give a head start with everything. This week, no real lecture or anything to finish up. Just a quick announcement, that's all. So if you can, go ahead and finish your discussion posts tonight. I just posted a reply. Sorry I was a little bit late, but it should be up there. And give it a shot. See what you think. I'd like to give you try a story out. Secondly, you have your texturing assignment. So make sure you turn that in tomorrow. That way everything's good to go. And then we start the week after that. Rubric should be posted on a Monday, as always. So if you have any questions, let me know. If you're running a little behind, please contact me. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Be safe, have fun, enjoy, and hope to see something soon. And hope everything's okay. Other than that, be safe, have fun, and if you need anything, give me a shout. Have a great weekend.